your tree looking off this summer? Yellowing leaves, strange spots, or early leaf drop might be signs of disease or pest infestation. Summer heat can trigger outbreaks of tree diseases like oak wilt, fire blight, and powdery mildew. And pests like borers and scale insects thrive in this season. At Galaxy Tree Service, our certified arborists diagnose and treat problems early, protecting your trees from long-term damage. Don't wait until it's too late. Call Galaxy Tree Service at 855-648-7337 or visit galaxytree.com to schedule your tree health checkup today.